Currently there is alarming red market, and I will give you the reason behind this blood in the crypto market and the most valuable actions you should do in this video. Hi all, this is Crypto Forever, big fan of crypto. I am Tan, web developer and serial entrepreneur. Here we talk about cryptos and cryptos only. Now the first reason, Israel and Iran war. I have heard about the drone attack by Iran to Israel and US has intercepted, but this is a fraud guys. If you are new to the crypto, fraud means fear, uncertainty and doubts. Big players exactly know when the retailers are out of money. They want to seek out the new money, so they are just seeking out the new money. The recent bull market has attracted many new retail investors and mostly have bought on the top, so they are seeking out them. The second reason is tax time guys. This is the tax time and everybody is doing their tax. So there is a famous statement in the money market, sell before May and go away, and people are doing that. They are taking the profit for the tax, doing that. And the third most important reason is the Bitcoin halving. The Bitcoin halving is just around big miners are selling their profit because they have to upgrade the equipment, and for the equipment they have to pay the price, so they have to sell their profit. If you are finding a value to this video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really makes a huge difference for us. Thank you so much. As earlier I promised you that I will give you the proper actions that you have to adhere in this kind of a situation. Number 1, do not sell your cryptos. As I have told you, this is only the fraud. It is not the time to sell, actually it is time to buy. Feel free to check out my recent previous videos where I have listed you some gem of cryptos to consider. I totally understand that many of you might be struggling to load more capital. So the next killer point will be the most important thing you should do, and that's waiting. Keep your head high and emotionally disciplined. And it is the most important thing that you have to be emotionally very strong in this crypto or any money investment. Players will always play with the emotion. Whoever has the less emotion, whoever is not strong enough or brave enough to handle these kinds of a low moment, then they are the losers. So always follow the winning mentality. When you check your portfolio, just breathe out and repeat the magical mantra after me: patience and strength. You have been here with so much effort. I know it is hard and risky to pour your hard-earned money to crypto world, but this is crypto world, ladies and gentlemen. If you are new, don't be afraid. The Bitcoin cycle always runs in a phase. Just before the halving that we have seen that there is a shake out, and after that the Bitcoin has risen up and risen up. So if the history repeats, there is a one fact guys, that is either humans or money market. After all, at the end they all have to go above. With that note, keep moving strongly ladies and gentlemen. I'll be dropping some alpha videos on creating a killer portfolio that has 8 to 10x potential soon. Stay tuned, keep in touch, make sure to like and subscribe. As always, big fan of crypto, forever crypto.